Hello students, in this video we will discuss about the image formation in case of convex mirror. Now you have two image formations which you have to discuss. Make sure you have drawn the convex mirror properly, marked the points, pole, focus and center of curvature. Distance between PF and FC should be same. Now for the first image, let the position of the object be at infinity. That means the object is kept at infinity, so the rays of light will be coming from infinity, somewhat like this. They are coming from infinity. No need to put the object, just write at infinity and show the rays that are coming parallel to the principal axis. Now here you can go for using rule 1 in both the cases. According to rule 1, if a ray is coming parallel to principal axis, it will get diverged in this particular manner in such a way that it is crossing the focus. Use a scale to draw the diagram properly. Similar way, this ray will also get diverged and this will appear that it is passing through the focus. So your image will be formed at F. So position of image you can write at focus behind the mirror. Behind the mirror should be written. Now nature, as we have already said, if the image is formed behind, the image is virtual and erect. Use a scale to draw the lines properly. And size of the image, see, size is point size. We can write it point sized or highly diminished. Both can be mentioned. Highly diminished. So this is your first image formation for a convex mirror when the object is kept at infinity.